What I'd like to show is outbound dialing using Tropo AGItate as well as CouchDB along with Adhearsion. In this case, we have a catering company that's going to be calling its customers that it has appointments with and ask them what type of pasta they want delivered. In this case, we have one record in our database, and we're going to call John Doe at this phone number. I've actually written an Adhearsion component that you may see here called CouchDialer. It's available on GitHub. And upon initialization of the Adhearsion framework, it launches a new thread, which goes out to our locally installed Couch database, picks up all the documents that are in there, and then iterates through those rows, gets the details of each individual record, and then builds the appropriate URI to go ahead and do a REST GET on Tropo's session API to actually create an outbound call. This is the step that actually does that GET, passing that URI with all of the appropriate parameters on there that you may see here. Once the call is answered coming inbound to Adhearsion, we expose the treat call dial plan, and you may see here in our dial plan, anything that comes from Tropo AGI is going to call this method. And we go ahead and parse the headers because we need to get the Tropo tag that allows you to go ahead and associate a call to a particular record once it comes back inbound. As you may see here, we actually set the Tropo tag to our record ID from CouchDB. We then set the language to Italian because we're going to be asking what kind of pasta they want, as well as the recognizer. We then play a couple of messages to welcome the caller, and then we ask the caller what type of pasta they'd like and give them a list of pastas that they can go ahead and select. We parse the results. We go ahead and update the record here, where we actually go out and push that we took the order and what type of pasta they want. And then we go ahead and play it back. So to get started, let me go ahead and bring up Adhearsion. I should get the call on my Skype. There it is.
Buongiorno. This Fabrizio's pasta palace catering calling. Which pasta shape would you like for your party? Your choices are spaghetti, vermicelli, capellini, linguine, bucatini or bavette.
Linguini.
Linguine it is. See you at your party. Arrivederci.
All right, and then if we go over and look at the CouchDB, we should go ahead and see that our database was updated with the pasta choice and the status as ordered. That shows you a quick overview of how to use the outbound capabilities of AGItate, integrating with a back-end database and using Adhearsion. Thank you.